Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect to Versium REACH data APIs using natural language with Anthropic's Claude. We're here in the documentation and we're going to walk through connecting Claude to Versium, and we're going to do some example queries that we can make. So you will need to have a paid Claude account. You'll also need a paid Versium REACH account for this to work. So step one, we're gonna make sure we're logged into Claude, and then we're gonna go ahead and come down here, come down here to settings. We're gonna go ahead and go to connectors. I'm gonna add a new custom connector. Later on, you'll hopefully be able to use the browse connectors up here and just find us in the marketplace, but this is very early, so we're not there just yet, but soon. We're gonna name it Versium REACH. We're gonna go ahead and type in the URL, which is https://app.versium.com/mcp/reach. And we don't need to mess with these advanced settings here because we have dynamic client registration. So Claude can just go ahead and register itself with Reach automatically. And for me, I have had this connected previously, so it didn't ask me to authenticate. So we're gonna go ahead and, just so that I can show it to you, we're gonna disconnect. And so normally when you're adding a new connector here, it'll do this for you, but we're gonna go ahead and click connect so that you can see what happens. So normally I'm already logged into Reach, as you can see in this tab over here, but since I'm already logged in, it's gonna go ahead and remind me that I'm logged in with my Versium email account on Reach and ask to authorize Claude, and we'll go ahead and hit authorize. And you can see we're now connected. So now things that we can do in here, we can go ahead and ask Claude things like, find me some decision maker contacts at marketing firms in New York with over 50 employees. We'll also look in here in the little plus menu and ensure that when we go to connectors, the Versium REACH is turned on. And I'm going to go ahead and turn off my other connectors just to give Claude some more context to work with, context space, that is. And we'll go ahead and send this, and it should go ahead and use the tools that we just connected. Let's see, yeah. It immediately wants to figure out what options it has available to call the B2B list gen tool. So we'll go ahead and hit always allow on that. And it'll just go ahead and look through the available tools for a bit here to make a decision about how it wants to do this. Now we can see now it's actually making the estimate call itself to the B2B list gen. And here we go. Yeah, so it found in particular this company as well as some others, but that's the example that it's decided to show us, and we could ask for other ones for it to pull out. Yeah, it looks like it found 503 estimated contacts that have email in it. It looks like we have a little over 1,000 that may or may not have email. And yeah, that is pretty much the workflow, is just asking Claude in natural language to use the tools. And I will give you another tip right here, which is that we can ask Claude, what other tools do you have available from Versium, and what can we do with them? Because it can just look at all of the tools available. It'll also get updates as we add new tools, and it can always go ahead and explain what it can do with them, since it can access the actual descriptions and everything, and think about what it could then help you do. So that is how to get started with the Versium MCP server on Claude. Thanks for watching.